We came home to a bit of a winter wonderland. Over 2-3 inches of snow. It wasn't really sticking most of the day, but now that it's cooling down, it's sticking a little bit better. So we'll see what we wake up with. I think they said 3 to 5. Piglets are doing good, says Joey. We just got home, so we're headed down now. Jackson and I. Lost one. I gotta get down. I haven't asked him if she laid on it or what happened, but all things considered, that's not terrible. Considering the last time she laid on one, literally in like the half hour that we took to go grab dinner. So, counting our blessings with that one. Hopefully the rest do good. We're gonna put CIDRs in a couple cows. We were hoping to do it the other day and didn't get to it, so looks like a great day to do it now. Did you see them? Those are the CIDRs. Are they cute?
Yeah.
I'm hit! This is good snowman making snow. Nice and packable. You're sleeping outside tonight. Better keep your eyes open when you sleep tonight, girl. I think there was 13 when Gracie, get out. There's either placenta. You counted 11 of them?
Yeah, that's it.
Dad said 11? I could have counted wrong this morning. It's possible. Is jealous or something? She is zoned out. Look at them snuggling with her. Some of them are eating. They almost all look like... Excuse you! My goodness. What do you think, Jack? They're pretty cute.
Jackson, are they really cute?
Which one's your favorite, Joe? I like the little spotted ones.
The one with no black.
The one with no black? That looks just like Peter. Yeah, they are pretty cute. So Joey is going to get our calf box, what we use to like transport calves in the back of our trucks. And we're gonna make a little makeshift warmer for the piglets, put the heat lamp in there because just with it being cold and stuff, we don't want the piglets to get cold, obviously, overnight. Especially with them being so new and stuff. And they seem to be warmer if they're snuggling next to mama rather than under the heat lamp, which is like fine when they're eating and stuff, but also not safe at the same time when she wants to move around. But yeah, so we lost the one, unfortunately, a nice guilt, but the rest of them are doing really well, and she's doing really well. She was just kind of resting. Everyone's like eating on her. So we're gonna get those guys settled, and then we'll get her some food and water. I didn't really want to disturb her because she was snoozing. In the meantime, while Joey's doing that, Jack and I are making milk, right? Do you hear Dad? You hear the skid loader? Shy to the camera. We got 10 calves on milk, so we're gonna get them fed, and then it won't be so noisy.
How fast is that?
What happened?
How fast is that?
Yeah, did it fall in the water?
Yeah.
It's okay. Just going potty a little. All right, should we mix it?
No, we might mix it.
You're gonna mix it? Okay. Can I help you?
No.
No? Ready?
We might mix it.
You're mixing it? Okay.
Mommy, help me.
Oh. Where's it going? Good? Poor chicken.
Hey, cows over here. Okay.
There he goes. You need help, Joe? Sit in. They're getting all riled up. Ah. There we go. Yes, we can hold a pig now. Hey, Gracie. Gracie. Wet puppy, you don't get to chase chickens. Alright, how's that eating? Kids are moving in for some piglet cuddles.
The pig's peeing.
Yeah. What do you think? Yeah, it feels nice and warm. You going in too?
Boy.
Fun boy.
Is it a girl or a boy?
Boy, get another one. Got Piggy for me?
This one's a girl.
That was a girl?
Yep.
You
I
sure?
don't know. This is a boy.
That is a girl. Good job, bud.
This is a boy. Mom, what is this one? Ah, I don't know.
It's like a girl.
That's a girl. Yeah. This one's a boy. Boy. It's big.
Oh, careful with the babies, honey.
Huh? I already checked this one. These two are girls. Is this a boy or a girl? I can't tell. That's a
Oh, thank you.
So we have to put that's a girl. Huh?
Okay.
I don't have something on the podcast. Look at that.
Jack, be nice to the
Is
piggy.
this one? Nope. That's a boy. Heel.
Yeah, we gotta make another gate. It's a work in progress. They probably won't wander too far tonight. Happy. Alright, I think the pigs are pretty well settled for the night. I gave Mama some fresh bedding. They are all under the heat lamp. I moved it down just a little bit more. And now they seem to be getting the warmth. Once this warms up, it should stay a lot warmer, but obviously it was sitting outside, so it's gonna warm up a little bit. Mama's having some relaxation. Her time, she ate a little bit, so that's great. Gotta get her some fresh water. Now we're gonna switch gears, finish feeding, and then put those CIDRs in. CIDRs, for those that don't know, are kind of a tool that we use for breeding cows here on the farm. We use artificial insemination, no bowls or anything like that, because that's dangerous. We don't want to deal with that, especially with the kids. So we use CIDRs. That way we can kind of sync them to breed. Tonight, I think we are putting CIDRs in 3 of them. So essentially we'll insert it. I'll show you guys when we do it. But we'll insert the CIDR into them. It's basically like a progesterone supplement. Not an implant, but like just an insert that has progesterone. We'll leave it in them for a week. We'll pull it out. We'll give them a shot of Ludolice. And then the hope is that about 3 days later, they'll come into heat and we'll breed them. I don't know where Sophia went. She go out by Lisa?
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, give them a shot after we pull the CIDR out after 7 days. And then 3 days later, typically they will come into heat. And then we'll be able to breed them off of that. We did that for the first round of cows that we bred all blindly, may I say, but it turned out pretty well. We were over 50% conception rate, so we'll take it. So yeah, we're gonna do that 3 of them tonight, and then I think we'll be done with chores for the night. Also, who's making me dinner? I really hope we have frozen pizza. I don't think we do, but I really hope we do. Okay, it's my time to go.
Get your eggs.
Why didn't you put a roof over this thing?
Why didn't we put them in last night when it wasn't snowing? Loop.
That is the CIDR going into the applicator. Joey's braver than I am. I do not touch these without gloves. I don't need extra hormones. Yeah, bud. He what? Lacey is next. Giving him a shot of GnRH as well. Sophisticated. Not enough. What did I do wrong?
Yeah.
What did I do wrong?
She's just got a very deep cervix.
Oh. She's an old lady. She's like 10 years old. Your cat needs to find you.
Huh?
Last one. You're the most difficult, aren't you? Come on, sweetie.
Hey. Ah.
Good girl. They look like wet dogs. They look like you, Gracie. Wet puppy.
Easy peasy.
Oh, I don't think I showed people your addition to the shoot. That's the don't get a concussion pool noodle idea. Only took us hitting our heads how many times before?
I only did it once, and then I learned.
Okay, well, I did it a lot of times, and I never learned. Normally with Swiss, we cut these off so that they don't pull them out of each other because they're Swiss. We don't have scissors, so here's to hoping they aren't dumb. I already got hit by Sophia multiple times, and I told her she was sleeping outside, so watch it. Bye. All right, CIDRs are put in. Everyone's back where they should be. Hay is fed. Calves are fed. Pigs are fed and watered. Petunia is just living her best life. Her piglets, they stayed through the heat lamp pretty longer than I would have thought. Now they're snuggled up next to her, so we'll pray that they all make it through the night. As the hours come on, they get a little bit stronger and a little bit smarter to get out of her way. And she too, she's being a good mama. I mean, she lays down slowly. She knows to do that. So I don't really know what happened with that one that got laid on earlier. But I mean, that's a lot of babies to keep track of, right? Sometimes I can know how to keep track of my 3. So, anyways, it was a fun day. Thanks everyone for watching. If you're not subscribed yet, shameless plug, please do it. We had a goal of hitting 100 subscribers, or 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So we've got like 3 days left, and I think we're like 12 subscribers short of that right now. So we're hoping to do that, and then next year my goal is hopefully to be monetized, because we love making content, but also like I don't mind getting paid for it a little bit. So yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, and we'll be back with more fun probably this weekend. We gotta work some cattle and stuff. So thank you all for watching. Have a great night, and have a fabulous snowy day in the